Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Curious, may you open and explore. Polishing my heart. Feeling is a power that helps me heal. Communication. Number 11. Number 36. Tethered and cage. It's time to break free. I am a work in progress. Reality check. Number 31. Assessment, exploration, honesty, and determination. Indifference, inactive, misguided, and unmotivated. Do a search on what unicorns and butterflies mean for you. Number 36. Golden Stellar Internet. Communicate in a fifth dimensional way. Put this down here. Harmony. Harmony is the beautiful melody in relationships. And our last card today before we go to our little box or envelope. Sea creatures, find guidance in times of darkness and let your inner light shine bright. Alrighty. Let's do the big polka dot box today. Perspective number 97. Your words equals your power. Every message you send is a reflection of you. Speak with confidence, clarity, and emotion, and watch how people respect you differently. Popularity is when people like you. Happiness is when you like you. Perspective Number 12. Don't let what makes you happy be a mystery. Your openness and authenticity sets others up for success. They will never be able to read your mind, but they can act on the information they have to activate your joy. Casey Kenny's perspective. I think the key to a happy life is to shine your wild, passionate light and let it guide the right people to you. And the last one, oh, two more. Check on your friends when they cross your mind. Don't overthink it. Don't put it off for later. Pick up your phone and reach out. Remember, don't hesitate to be kind and generous. The universe keeps track of what you give, and it will return it to you in a magical and unforeseen ways. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.